If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The dashboard page in QuickBooks Online provides quick access to common tasks and shows an overview of your business within its widgets. To access the same apps you can access from the My Apps bar from the dashboard page, click an app in the scrollable list of apps at the top of the dashboard page. To quickly perform an action in QuickBooks Online, which are one-click buttons that perform common activities like creating an invoice or expense, click the associated button in the Create Actions list below the apps in the dashboard page. You can show up to 10 actions in the dashboard page in QuickBooks Online. To customize which actions appear in the dashboard page, click the Show All link in the dashboard page to open the Create Actions pane at the right side of the screen. Then scroll through the list of actions and click the favorite star icon next to the desired actions to add or remove them from the favorites list at the top of this pane. To change the order of the actions in the favorites list, click and drag them up or down by the 6-dot handle to their left sides and release them in the desired locations. To save your changes when finished, click the Save button at the bottom of the Create Actions pane. The widgets that appear in the dashboard page show helpful financial data about your company. If desired, to show or hide the financial information that appears in the widgets in the dashboard, click the Show or Hide the Financial Info on your dashboard toggle switch, which looks like an eyeball icon. To add or remove widgets in the dashboard page in QuickBooks Online, click the Add Widgets button in the dashboard to open an Add Widgets pane at the right side of the screen. Then, click the checkbox to the left of the desired widgets to add or remove them in the dashboard. To save your changes when finished, click the Save button. To customize the layout of the widgets you added to the dashboard in QuickBooks Online, click the Customize Your Dashboard button, which looks like an icon of setting sliders. The widgets then appear highlighted with green borders and green circles. To move an existing widget in the dashboard, hover over it, and then click and drag it to a new location using the 4-pointed arrow icon that then appears on it. To resize a widget, hover over a green circle on a widget's border, and then click and drag when your mouse pointer appears as a 2-pointed arrow. Then release it when it is the desired size. If desired, to delete a widget, hover over it, and then click the Hide Widget button, which looks like a trash can icon. To finish and save the widget customizations in QuickBooks Online, click the Save button in the dashboard. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.